Hi, I am Basantraj Singh, an Indian senior compositor. Let's talk about max and mean operation of merge. I have two ramp nodes opposite in directions. Ramp 1 has 0 in screen left, 1 towards the screen right. Ramp 2, 1 in screen left and 0 in screen right. So now let's take a merge node and connect both the ramp and use the operation max. Whenever we connect two or more layer with max operation, max always consider the maximum value. So in ramp 1, 0 is in left and it goes with linear progression towards the 1. In middle, the value is zero point 0.5. This half portion is below zero point 0.5 and this half portion is above zero point 0.5. But in RAM 2, this section is above zero point 0.5 and this section is below zero point 0.5. Both are in opposite direction. As soon as we connect both layer with max operation taking higher pixel value from the RAM 1 and higher pixel value from RAM 2. So it's taking consideration of only higher value. Mean operation is just opposite of max. If I take merge node and connect again both layers, both RAM, and now select the mean operation. So it will take consideration of only the minimum pixel value. So now mean operation only taken each layers the lower pixel value. So max taken consideration of the maximum pixel value from all the connected layers, whereas mean consider the minimum pixel value from all the connected layers. There are a lot of use of max operation and mean operation, but just have a quick look some very handy examples. I have this footage I have downloaded from Action VFX. So now I am calculating luminance scheme and I'm checking my alpha and I am happy with this. But now I am feeling okay, I need some stronger alpha in the highlight zone, but I am happy with this darker side alpha. So I take another Luma key and now this is my alpha. I want my previous alpha just with this new alpha combined. So if I take merge node and connected with the max operation, and the combined alpha is keeping the previous value and also taking consideration of the higher value and it's combining both. So in this alpha, the window area has the lower value. In this alpha, this window area has greater value. So max considering always greater value of the combined layer. So max considering this from first layer and this from second layer and giving our desired result. So if you understand the mathematics of operations, you can create multiple manipulations. One very cool handy hack, I am saying hack, it's sometimes lifesaver. From the same footage, I have created a very rough key just for the demonstration. It's not refined and I deliberately made some mistakes for this demonstration purpose. So this is just my basic key. I just take a normal image and I am merging this and just pay here attention. I'm getting black edge. Yes, the best idea is go through your script, refine your key all and check all that loose points and fix there. But here I am showing some hack. It's not the part of keying process, but sometimes, most of the times, it helpful. A very cool trick after merge is connect the blur node and do some blurring. We can adjust later also depending requirement. I am getting alpha. I am just taking the edge detect and blurring little detect and taking one merge node B on the pipe and A from the blur and connecting mask to the edge detect because I want to limit my process only on the edge. And we know that mean operation take consideration of the lower value, whereas max operation take consideration of the higher value. So it's black edge. So I need higher side of value. So I will choose max operation. And now if I view the result, the black line is gone. This is hack, this is trick. It may useful in some area, it may not useful in other area. So if it's helping some reason but destroying some other reason, we can always mask that area as per our requirement. So now this is only affecting this area. So this is very handy whenever you are dealing with the black edge in the king process. Just opposite of that. What if I get that white edge, not black edge? Just see in another example. I deliberately made same key but made some white edges here. So I will now taking same method edge detect blur and I am blurring that edge. And now because it's the white edge, it's already higher side. So I need lower side. So I will connect merge node and I will limit my process just in the edge. And now I will use the mean operation. And if you view from here, the white is gone. Now you have to tweak this blur, this edge detect, this blur. This is just the understanding for the process. You have to make precise everything. So this max mean operation is very helpful. Use as per your need. Thank you.